Toy Monkey.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 paint tubes and 5 paint brushes. Here's a cute water gun. Let's have fun with it while filling up the water. 1 done, 5 more to go. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All done. Yellow. Let's stir the paint nice and thoroughly. Pink. Green. Red. Blue. Orange. Look! Vanilla ice cream. Now it's a red strawberry ice cream. Orange ice cream. Wait, that's not all. You can make bubbles out of the ice cream. It's a yellow mango ice cream. Green kiwi ice cream. The ice cream looks so yummy. So yummy. Blueberry ice cream. Bubble time! So much fun! Last but not least, pink cotton candy ice cream. Which ice cream flavor is your favorite? Hi, I'm Elsa. I'll show you a neat trick. The last glitter is pink. Hey, let's find out what kind of surprises we have today. What's inside of yellow? It's Donnie from Super Wings. Donnie is an airplane good at fixing and inventing stuff. Transform power! have for pink? It's Daisy. She's the rescue helicopter. Transform power.
Hi.
What about green? It's Cleanie from Robocar Police. Cleanie loves to clean. Well, let's clean Cleanie first before we let Cleanie clean. Who is this under red? It's the fire truck Roy. Roy is both strong and kind. What could be inside of blue? It's Jerome. He's an acrobatic jet plane. He's a great dancer. Transform power. Who's waiting for us in orange? We have Mark. He is an orange mountain rescue truck.
Huh?
Thanks for watching. See you next time.